Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will see concept of correlation. This means relationship of two variables or more variables. So correlation refers to the relationship between two variables. It helps us to understand how changes in one variable are associated with change in another variable. So I will explain this definition by using this equation of y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of a straight line, but this is the easiest way to understand concept of correlation. So in this equation you will see mainly two things. This is dependent variable and this is independent variable. And basically this term is considered as slope in equation of line, and this is considered as what? Intercept. And I can write this equation in form of y equals to a plus bx also. This equation is a plus bx. Now in this case this y is considered as what? Dependent variable. And this x is considered as what? Independent variable, and this a and b are constant values. Now we will see this correlation with one example of total cost. As total cost is what? Total cost is combination of two things. First is fixed cost and second is variable cost. Fixed cost like machinery, land and other things which are not changing, and this is variable cost. Variable cost, in this variable cost bx, b is considered as raw material per unit, and this x is what? Production quantity. So as suppose b is 50 and a is suppose 100, and quantity of production suppose 1 unit, so total cost of production is what? 60. And if quantity increases, then production cost is what? Production cost is 100. If 3 quantities are there, then this is 160 and so on. So this total cost y depends on this values of x. So as x is increasing, y is also increasing. So this kind of relationship is considered as what? Correlation. Sometimes if x decreases, then y also decreases, then this is also considered as what? Correlation. Now we will see one more example of advertisement and sales. Now we have this data of advertisement expenditure and sales. This advertisement expenditure is considered as x, this sales is considered as y. Now you will see this is increasing. This 2 and 8 both are 2 to 8, 8 to 10, then 15. This is increasing pattern of data. And in second, sales also increasing pattern in data. So we can say as advertisement expenditure increases or advertisement increases, then sales also increases. This means both the direction, both the variables are in same direction. Both are in increasing direction. That's why we can say there is positive correlation. So we can say there is positive correlation. And for this data set, first variable is x, second is y, and first is in increasing pattern 2 to 8, 8 to 10, then 15 and 20. But second, y is with decreasing pattern. This value is 30, then next is 21, next is 15. So one variable is increasing, second variable is decreasing. This means both the variables are in opposite direction. So when we have both the variables are in opposite direction, then this is considered as what? Negative correlation. Now we will see one more thing. Suppose these values are not these are suppose 20, this is 15, this is 10, this is 8, and this is 2. These are not these values. So in that situation, this is also decreasing, this is also decreasing. So we can see both the variables are in same direction again. So this is the case of again positive correlation. Both the variables are decreasing. That's why this is positive correlation. So for positive correlation, if both the variables are in same direction, either increasing or decreasing, then there is positive correlation. And if one variable is increasing, second variable is decreasing, or it's reverse, first variable is decreasing, second variable is increasing, then there is negative correlation. So this is the main concept of correlation. Correlation may be positive, correlation may be negative. So this is correlation. And now we will see this definition. Correlation refers to the relationship between two variables. We have two variables, first is dependent variable and second is independent variable. It helps us to understand how changes in one variable are associated with change in other. In this case, as we were increasing x, then y is also increasing. So if x is in positive direction, then y is also in positive direction, or we can say both the variables are in same direction. So we can study change in another variable due to this variable. So this is what? This is correlation. And in next session, I will explain types of correlation. So I hope you understand this concept of correlation. So please like this video and subscribe my channel, Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.